Next thing comes is number of children. Number of children is the subclasses immediately subordinate to a class. These are termed its children. And this is the number of children. For example, here you have, this is a C2 class. Now it has immediate subordinate classes as C21, C22 and C23. So how many number of children it has? 3. As the number of children will grow, of course the reuse will increase. But as the number of children will increase, and if you have an abstract class, if a parent class is abstract class, the abstraction of, say, phenomena will be diluted if some of the children are not appropriate members of the parent class. So these are we need a proper balance of this number of children, because though reuse is increasing, but the appropriate implementation should be there. As the number of children will increase, the amount of testing will also increase.